Congratulations to the team because last season, Kotoko-10, so this season, if we've been able to get a draw, improve our title, ambition, no, and our fight to win the Ghana Premier League, you know, better than losing. And that is the conversation. Welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Sir Obed Gaming in Abadawiye at the end of 90 minutes. Asante Kotoko-10 FC Samartex 0. Now, let's have a discussion, Kakra, on things that happened today. The sad aspect, first thing, is the fact that this game was played without a TV coverage. That's the first starting. I mean, you listen to the commentary. Now on monitor videos and getting drop in. It tells you that the match was a match. It was definitely going to be fun. Na match anka I mean, in terms of security. So share a park isua. Maybe a mrantie in a VIP or kakra. A 2 pan Asante Kotoko-10 for a share. That's the other end. Thomas separating the kama. Now, so one park and so also be kuta Kotoko flag and I'm baby a ball boys and I'm watching hono. Baby a ha will be the Kotoko flag be a baby jina hono. Kokobi sa and a honor dedicated to Asante Kotoko supporters. Omo you kind of saying away team. So in terms of security, it was decent and clean. Inti born the so we wait and see whether Bibiabe cost a thing. But from the initial arrangement from Samartex, everything points to the fact that they decided to stick and stay with the security protocols. Send your bema assume me daddy. To also omacha park and kama pa. Now, the other thing that you also have to focus is the state of the pitch. Manfa picture we into so. This is the state of the pitch into Osha, baby, I got to players ne dano. On say green honey Samartex. We are got to players ne dano. On dedicate. Edema Asante Kotoko supporters for popular stand. Jomu de omuku guho. And a VIP ni so muchiche mukama. Inti sa part na Kotoko crash in second share ni go no. Ti say we have videos na. Most of the time I Kotoko share go no. Na chita for na o hono celebrity part because Samartex for be da. Kotoko supporters ni po na chia. No mu ye the second half ni pa. So in terms of security and measures that MINTO ye ne biano, this was solid. And let's not forget that on the initial na yanka wa ye channel no so but Kotoko ye security arrangement. They me betin won say ye nyina nim say Kotoko ko pie mu court. Otemu afo ti adwam to Kotoko-10 for say. And we be here say omu tu kwan a ombe mom security arrangement no aye kama. Nti Asante Kotoko ko pie mu no na info ekuta say na military kakra wo ho to protect Asante Kotoko. So in terms of security everything was intact. And this was a match and we have a lot of discussions on the field based on the quality of both players. And if you look at the pitch, I mean Kotoko-10 we complain about the state of the pitch. But I'll look at this particular pitch and to understand this, let me put a long shot. There's also a picture Asante Kotoko try. And it was a picture now for the Casares. Let me put another one. And look at this one also. You can see that any pictures now SSA and yet here Obekasi Awano Eyibia. So the pitch was in a good shape. Just a born Babe top from Amaya Kono. And surprisingly, in the year 2025, a big match like the defending champions were Ghana Premier League. Near the new Diagro, Yama game and saying, no more bulk of 14 and central for count, and I'm on my game in Tumpon, and I'm on game no sempa. Listen, 2025, the defending champions. And I can tell you, sir, if you are throughout the season, Samartex ball about TV why 4. If you are Kotoko has, Naba could be about found. But if we decide not to put in measures, Asante Kotoko, or that top of the league, only defending champions na ekobo. Krobe so na dey we say, look at such a fixture, how sweet the fixture is. Defending champions, and the other top na ebebo. Our headlines ni nyina. And guess what? There was no TV coverage. Until net 3 o'clock at EP on Ekosono. Nipa no ko Man City ball, no have 4 goals EP o mu. Next time he always select the EPO over the Ghana Premier League. So in see the go akwem so that we can recruit new lovers for the Ghana Premier League. We are just not doing it. And let's look at this. The FA made a publication. Said these are the matches on being. Yeah, about 9 matches for Ghana Premier League because 18 teams. The TV coverage can only give us 2 matches, which is not even up to 25% of the matches that we watch. Enyeshe. Eya we some there, but enyeshe yati asye. Eya then yebo league 21st century 2025. Ni about 9 matches 2 per the bebe TV so. Na no be dey nya adofo, ba de emfa ne to enyeshe. Ya jetum, mo de munyi 2 per. 2 per so a ba ko yentimi ansa enyi. So yeah, about 9 matches for Ghana League this week. March the 24. Baku pen ebe TV so. And the sad aspect is the Ghana Football Association cameraman the crack of venue. Highlights of the match in Impunomun Timin Sanki Kambum and Famba. So throughout the commentary, there's an issue of Kotoko scoring a goal which was disallowed. Yenya go ni binche. Yenya binche. Inti abana sana. Most a born a science intimin konanim. Inti amanone for no more yomudie yeno. Obo mu lidi and dada. Ah, yeah, bomoni see a be catch up with them no. And your ma ye ni jina tere say, Ombekoswa no machiemu de bia. Nipa no wasan. I say only obi ko race akra kumase. Ono wadru nkoko. Wo attack. Kofaka papa na fa chase na odi abobo ya bro no so use Range Rover. And once a game didn't grow because whenever we have the opportunity to catch the hearts of new lovers of Ghana Premier League, we fail to utilize it. And it's a sad one. Quite unfortunate. But the second major thing, medical security first and second thing, your game number, a TV and so on. The third thing would have to do with Maka pitch and Asemino. In Tiansha a year, the substitution from Coach Ogum. Listen, and yes, I may be Coach Ogum about some high pony be but I will be honest with you. May based on info and especially the starting 11 and and the fact that opinion players nimpa na Asante Kotoko amachi omwa omodi omoko 20 nimpo anso Asante Kotoko anya 20-man squad and fan come match we because of injuries. We are talking about a team where Kamara is suspended. And here one, Blair suspended. Che Jamina is suspended. 3 players were no problem. Akwesi Asante pra 4. Lord Amu pra 5. Daniel Adete 6. Daniel Adete 6. Joseph Ablo 7. Then when you Fernando Wisdom Bassi 8. Peter Aqua 9. Mrante ne prano no. And your mom is suspended. Nipa watching. And a wakotoko. Abi binti. Refi Albertamwa. For Albertamwa account. Nanya 10. So 10 players. So even if Kotoko registered 30 players, I can't 20. But I could say a goalkeeper account. Mohamed Fatau. To you Fatau Frima. I can't 19. And Kotoko registered 30. So Kotoko registered 27 senior team players. To you 10 Frima na 17. And now you Fatau Frima na 16. And then come on. So Asante Kotoko game we know. Now me and Kasam yem sheme more because clearly the number of players are Kotoko de kono never form. So you watch the Kotoko team and Kotoko ni a proper defender with the exception of Godfred Kodua on our youth team. Kotoko justify sisa youth team players no. Indi na enundi nansa on the bench. Then you get Abdul Isaka on the Kotoko bench. Now when you are brand here fena Avoka on the Kotoko bench. The senior team players need 15 for this particular game. 15 senior team players for this match. And the options available for the manager. Obesi san in your mem obowe kakra no you we free no the way about beshem tactical variations in ebini ho. And Michael Sefa, based on the scouting report that I no, the positions are Oboni year and number 6 and 4 and 5. But the technical team have no other options. So I'm not going to 2. No about the any standing 2 no. Teteneka standing 2 on Tralai. Ivanovic most standing 2 ni bino. Ujirawa. On say 2 for ni bia okona nim no ye crosses there be. Obom so obetimi abenanim. Obetimi a cross back but untimi fanen toto loda mo a wa move about attacker. Amwa ababe add something to a year. The attacking game of Asante Kotoko through either the free kick, a set piece, or the corner. Sefan to me, Masaba Sefan Bemao solidity because of a proper center forwarder and fan honko and need the Sefan Bemao. The Sefa Ansu this season, if I'm not wrong, this can probably be even the first match at Ansu has started. This can even be the first match maybe Ansu and start. Because time asambe prior no na abloni blay and na ebo echiro na ansu mbo nti say ansu anya league start FA Cup was start be but league start I be ndru 2 on na say ebo ho with Samba and Patrick Essien who is the only left back in the team to the coach no over ball ni nyina o bompa say and ma players ni bia ho nka because obi ho ka brichi abo theatre because Mrantiene a woman starting 11 or form. Then when you come to the middle, double pivot and a boy with intim knitting edu. And a ball Minta Kwame Poku Cheba Fuawuchi and Asaka. Options on the bench. Ani Kenyeka benchy. Eduku is the only mature striker because Abdul Isaka, Mato Abama Kotoko FA Cup. League no Ambobi. FA Cup. Then Baba no abo Emmanuel entry. Proper matured players here miensa. Avoka youth team player. Abdus Isaka youth team player. Kodia youth team player. And the proper matured players Duku Babaya and Emmanuel entry. This squad, more ha, and then you say more ha because of someone's doing, but because of injuries. Intimeno, I'm so much impressed with how Kotoko winning. And listen, when Kotoko conceded, you know, Coach Ogum decided to take a bold step, papa, because at that time, no, was starting with 2 defensive midfielders in Tinedu and Emmanuel entry. And about 2 center forward in Minta and Kwame Poku. Just that Minta ne drop kakrabe echiri. Whilst Kwame Poku ne ede lead the attack no. But what in common ase. And a tina do in team jinem fin. But in team no momu kona nim kakra. Echa in tine do no. But the advantage is that tine do the chance of Tina do a more of defensive, no kakrachen offensive. But in team menu no, 8 me ball number 8 in the mount. Asante me ball on number 6 in the mount. So the moment Kotoko conceded, the coach realized that so ball me no fin wa. Na mintana embrambeje ball en fankwa. The midfield will lack creativity. Mintano kwa be the creative work plus in team. But in team to me boss 6. Therefore, my many thing do free. Now me find Emmanuel entry me bo yen say the creativity level of Emmanuel entry as compared to Tinedu and in team no osro. Entry ni betimi a supply a year Mintane Kwame Poku more balls for them to get closer to the opposition box and do the scoring. It was start taking a bold step. Who to me can stroke a crab because near first half no. O bench no papa wa hoye miensa wo de ba ko ba. Na bibi kosi enenye aka say akababa ne we pe o eduku. You don't have options. But Ogum decided to take a bold step. And I will tell you, sir, the introduction of Emmanuel Entry, Eboa Asante Kotoko-10, Ebeboa, Emmanuel, SSI Asante Kotoko-10. Enti, Yambo Coach Ogum Abaso. It could have been better than a draw, but it could have been worse than a draw also. Kebetimi a papa chen draw if Kotoko etimi di nkunim. But kebetimi a say more eso a chen draw sen ka Asante Kotoko-10 elusu match no. Nti on the substitution ne dear you have to give credit to coach Efen Ogum on how o take that bold step before the game ended. Now, confidence. Yabo Ogum Abaso for the stretches, you know. The commitment of the Kotoko players, the fighting spirit. Elvis Cheba for my bonnet chipa, and also free woman Dukubai. Because not bench anymore, until coach you don't mean changes, baby. Name of Ukraine about Kope. I see the Kotoko players fighting hard when they are playing. So I have got Cornelius cities now. When ye dimbi, on say, Omutrima or Modache. Oh, Omutrima or Modache. But you so to me say, Imrantena Pekin ye dimbia, yam Kim Maumbi. As Obia, Jata, Comma dinner, and near Brepeso ye bibi. From Frederick Kasari to Sefa. And clearly, me sure say, Kotoko this season, transfers no steady ya. Na Kotoko person befa Division 1 player. Oh, not Division 1 in him. Mohamed Kamara or by no Division 1 player. Benjamin Chum, no young apostles, so Division 1. Lord Amoy, Chelsea, Division 1. Daniel Ajetu to Kwan Waba. Akwesi Asante to Kwan Waba. Patrick Essiedu to Kwan Waba. Is smart. No Ahila o Sudan. Tinedu, Ewo, Legon Cities. Emmanuel Entry, no Olympics League no obo, and obai. Ogum Poku to Kwan Aba, Albertamo Olympics. Eduku we to Kwan Aba, Minta we to Kwan Aba. Saka no bofo. Sena bofo ko allegation, but the last time a premier. Cheba for to Kwan Aba. Into just signing Kotoko na. Majority of them are now so almost all of them not be Premier League players. But the only time I got Kotoko a player from the lower division, Michael Sefa. Port City, Division 1. But it looks like he is matured than Division 1 Auburn. Okay, I said time Auburn na me catch them say. Me nkoma me di Port City, me na me break the story and say Sefa. Me nkoma me di ni chire se omo person bo qualify ba league no. Sefa bo Liberty. Sefa abo mediama into omo ko fan say Division 1 club a person mo qualify ba Premier. Brana fa wo experience na den e be boa yen. To anya kola o Division 1 no aba oye Premier player Division 1 club a fan say be boa yen. Yen qualify. On fa na ho den in experience be boa yen. My only problem is that second round no players now Kotoko signing a tiro for Prana Hayeng. Kwesi Asante so ntimi mbobo. Aje tentimi ebo ba akumienu wepra. But Sefana kire say confidence. Sefana obo Division 1 ni de bia onto e fit. But akwesi Asante no atena fie. To your bad akwaja atena. Wobne fa mu mienu miensa na na. Atija. Eno wa hwe aje tesu a na onu so ofie. To no so ba ya omne fa mu mienu miensa na atija. Ona asem ne den ewo. Enti whoever recommended Michael Sefa wabo Asante Kotoko ewo ya Asante ko nzo e bememu a wodi djuma. Yes, one have a castle on your premier. Ogum Poku to ana on djuma no so confidence. Yeah, Kwame to aso. Beye. And you see, we are not having so much conversations about Albert Amoa because of Ogum Poku. Now here Albert Amwa ebe solve tokura mukwale jato hono. Beden ko fo ko mechi kakra ni edi nkomo. Tokro na mukwala eba akotoko na okono o jato hono. Ana akwa na mukwala ekwe. The oba fele sa tokro no. Albert Amwa. Eno ma akotoko 7 goals. Ewo nkomo no. Kwame Poku ba no. Eno be say the first match Go Stars me can legal. Ena Kwame Poku share go. On say Kwame Ambo Dreams match no. The first game was Go Stars no share go. Then Kotokobo Midiama eno share another goal. Kotokobo Vision FC ena Kwame share 2 goals. Ewo nkomo no. Ena Kotokobo Karela ena no penalty bili na share. Tinese hono about 4 matches pass 4 goals. Kotoko so training enim de see one share goal. Tina have 4 goals in 5 matches. And a Kotokobo Legon Cities. And a Kwame de ba kan ho. And I have 5 goals in 6 Premier League matches. And then Asante Kotoko ababebo against Clubber. You find Samartex. And then the 7th match Kwame Poku bo was 6 goals in 7 matches. Jana no ding. There be Jana no ding. This is solid. No. This is solid. 6 goals in 7 matches. Jana no ding. And one Kotoko instant hit. Mese Albert be replace Mukwala. And tika Albert ti pray send na Kotoko attack na ye no. That tidie nim. But Baye Bayano was 6 in 7. And even when Albert Amwa is injured, we are not really talking about Albert Amwa. No Amakotoko 7 goals because instant impact from Kwame Poku. Now say me makachira say Kwame yeshe 10 a ebe den so obetena. No kure no. Abako. Because they say what chire we are seeing na so ye fit. Okay time a Kwame ba no na Kwame kopuraye. Kwame koye surgery nti Kwame oba wontimi mbo eni ade but you see wa mo bia hu say we fit umprai obetimi abo awodin ne wo ho a obetimi dey abo fitness and enya so obo keke he is also scoring because clearly the last time any new thing didn't come about Kwame Poku and ade ane e kan e say player free efieba park so a na so about 90 minutes. That coach in Frima. Etra say na pomu din sem no was stropa. Because about 2nd round, obe change the coach no, obe woman gradually. You could be sa Ogum wo press conference as I say. Then some of the players won't start to say omo fitness nindu leveler. Ebe meet the tempo of the game. But na Kwame Poku about 90 minutes. He is playing 90 minutes. Who tells you about his physical conditioning, his match fitness, and then the brilliance and technicality in Wasan Danedi when he is still playing 90 minutes. And then come on. Enti Kwame dear, oh, solid. And then strikers go to say free kick from Patrick Esiedu. Goalkeeper Nipi Osimini no about 2 Yes, he will miss some chances. But what chira say Kotoko ni bida. What chira say Kotoko sunsum ne fa ne mere bi atwam. Sunsum ne da so eden e won ho. I'm telling you say Kotoko beje league this season. Kotoko be bon ho modern wo FA Cup. One of the signings are push Kotoko to the next level. Hanan ko form pe NBA bebre sa. A friend one of the franchise Golden State Warriors. Ona Steph Curry wono. Any Draymond Green mo e wono. Jonathan Kemenga mo wono na say no more than money. Recently no makofa Jimmy Butler. Oma ye trade de Andrew Wiggins score a year Miami Heat makofa Jimmy Butler. And Oma we need 13-1 in matches after Jimmy Butler be join him. Instant push. Sana Oma mo share basketball ne dey make an omotias. Instant push. Kwame enyese na Kotoko akechi. Difference between Warriors ne Kotoko Warriors na nse no mfa mom. Ba Kotoko de no mo ben ho. And a Kwame Ababe catapulted movement, because time and then your man could ye Kotoko, no. It got to a time they were even out of the top 4 conversation, but Kotoko Nyoma sign. Omoko share Adriana, a share house, a share dream selves. But not much is still not that Kotoko eliminating, especially Albert, a core Afcon, a core Galaxies. Osabaye. And you be medium abo no heading, or say pry and not breach yabo, but Kwame. I heard you, man. I heard you, man. Credit also to Coach Ogum. And Tianyasa may celebrate draw. But when there is positive, we talk about it. Now, in team dear. Mini min time kontoka. But many obiaba kontoka when ye Kotoko player of the season. Ye nominated players na in team menu dinim. Mementiasia. Under no circumstance, the Metiasia say, ye be Kotoko team of the season. Ye nominate your more in team menumba. Is the coach's favorite. And or a coach be a dream to have. And the next match ya away. And a young apostle so much share. O match team we friend no a Accra Lions ashomo. Oh, and almost abo home. The simple and TTNS or be person be dinkunim. Doma na born be koso. To say young apostles about 10th with 27 points. Na se in Swatre Casabo no mbobibnes aka 2 teams ebewe. But still, young apostles ne plan be say o shekotokwa no about 30 nene or bend the 40 mark no. No akem to onchema. Na de obechiama. Good. Enunti esem kunim die pio. Now the positive in that match is that confidence. And it just same was a match in the money said, Bele beba. In team menu ebeba. And a camera swede ebeba. Na Monday morning after the Kasari abono. Chaine camera and a Bele. Near her say by Yawadana ablo hoede atona. Na baby asem no woni. Kotoko team ni de omo mba na omeda Samartex. Omeda Summer boy. Na omesimo ochnaba. Aha. Tibe ochna no pa no me shake up. Awo ho. No maba. No maba training Monday, Tuesday. Se match no Thursday. Minim se best sako Wednesday dia. Se best sako Wednesday do me training. Do ma de se emuwa. Ti no me training anopa Monday and Tuesday anopa no ma 2. Ewia. Normally doma no mtimi ko da brekum. Kumasi to brekum ne be 3 hours. Oh, but the return of these players near positive. At the Asante Kotoko. Nemum, a Monday morning after the Kasari abono. Bonus, enemy competition, no. There should be competition, and yes, sir. Ye Jemama Wayna, Winkwa Demasari Swabeda. 3 matches were considered 1. There be 3 matches were considered 1, ain't you know? O Kamara no ba yan san kanchiro se position no. Ya sa tam the amount san be demu. There be what that 3 matches are considered 1 goal. There be what that 3 and 2 on o be pre. There be enjama o. Esa o ba. O chire o training die ntia. Esa sa asare ko bench ma beda. Sanya o chire ya. And you man your coaches need take decisions. Asare Tranchena Kamara and Dano. Kamara Asare ne be there on 3 matches no. On why then. What consider 1 goal? Lagos City is clean sheet. Why is clean sheet? And then 1. Into honest why you be? Then why are there? What check competition wo mu ye se kind of iron sharpen iron. Into say no ko training na. E so ko bon homo den na ho kire se di nti e so ba. Aha, sana community. Debi oba na be saying debi obi adem. He's the captain. Capito. Debi be na buy. Oh. He is the blasters material. Afcon qualifies near fair blasters players and Africa Kasare can. Den. Enti se na wa betu no no asa bedam no wa bon homoden a ese se wo ba wo kire de enti so ye there be hwe enti me de mani age draw no could have been better, but if you understand the tension, the materials available, squad near the core na, you understand why I am okay with the draw. Enti confidence, key observations nani. Elvis Chebafo, I'm okay with him, especially his commitment. Born a cosonamene a year Western for ni be chatted, and or your audio be my so bad. Ayana, what come for a witch because of Boasifa pa. The kind of say Ayana what come for a witch because of Boasifa. I want the Jumedianum, and tea a witchy. Saka sono. They say a dear Bakona confidence a hat team no. How they are missing chances. Oh, but I know I am Bo Ogum because my quack to say, or training our children how to score. But once we a coach and now you teacher ni. Now what train quality? No more tam na diagum tam na diagum. I say it does say oh dear old train on Montias. And now say oh tread your bro my drain on Montias and so breaking it down bomb level. And now qualana and modern wedding our form. Oh, I know my answer. It has a wood teacher, you know. Quite was if fast so tradian no Montiasia. And now some Kalani modern more form. And now the old children a brom subebre. There's all the way simple. Not need me fluenty. Yen you be free in terms of how Kotoko is missing chances. But rather, they must still come back and look at how they can fix it. Now, Etimia Boama and your mind akoye. Ede Asante Kotoko, ewon komonum ti. Confidence, a draw. Kotoko is still on top of the Ghana Premier League. Go Stars, Eko Doma. Has both dreams and enumere. We say Kotoko chain has 2 points. This a has share enumere about sign Kotoko. But say bonom 19 form. There be say Kotoko bonom 19 form. Inti ebe hesen ye. Kotoko chita for number more than so a team form. So it was all okay. I'm impressed with Asari, Sefa, and Ansu, for instance, Samba, the maturity, Patrick Essiedu. I mean, and we can free kick or boy, I keep an ipuba. Emma, Kwame Poku Pimshare. Wakako say, Sama boy, so Ajini Dino. A Bresson Yen Edianu Tuma. More Samartex so the Banuba Tum say Abranto Unimbo in team menu and all that. Ene eye enkomodienum na ya hesani enoma no ebetimi eden akọ ede aban nyina enti Emmanuel Entry okay say dey na ye kan wansem but then no ofri bench buy na duru ba bi a confidence so mo nipa bi tena ne to so akiri no tena akiri sebe o menka se nipa no mfa adwen but form akire na o tena no na ya adusua ma na hu say the position nya guarantee nti oba Waba be kunu aboni ye na waba be nya ba bi eden egina edu ba bi anetimu de no etimi ba nipa afa abrabum no se ejeje osu bebre etimu de etimi ba so modern born obeboy no obema Ogum headache say next match no kwan ben so na Ogum be take decision on who to start for him. Kwame Poku excellent, Isaac Minta and the rest Saka Dawood Amono they still need to work on their finishing which ade ejiri say coach Ogum ba be ye a training. So all good for Asante Kotoko. 1-1 was the scoreline. Na hana brebe me yakwan amiadi jumadi ni nyina ede. Esi. Yede obi biase, obi bi obehwe bia no. Edamase. Yebese hia eye froch na kone the other conversations no. Edi abrem. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.